Hello guys, welcome to Viteach Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example under quadratic expressions. So here we have to determine the range of the expression x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. So as here we have to find the range, let us consider y as a given expression when x belongs to real numbers. So on cross multiplying this, we get here y into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So let us multiply y with the group. So we get here x square y minus xy plus y, and let us bring all the terms to the left hand side. So we get here minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us write this expression in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So here we have two terms of x square. So by taking x square as a common, we get here y minus 1 into x square, and here again by taking x as a common factor from the next two terms, we get here minus of y plus 1 into x, and we have the remaining terms plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get here the value of a as y minus 1, and b would be minus of y plus 1, and similarly we get the value of c as y minus 1. So as here we said that x belongs to R, then the value of y would be also real. So therefore we can say that the roots of the equation 1 is also a real. So we have here the condition b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So on substituting the values of a, b, c over here, we get minus of y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So we get this as y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0. So let us write y plus 1 whole square in the form of the formula a plus b whole square. So we get here y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4 into, again by using the formula a minus b whole square, we get y minus 1 whole square as y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So we get here y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square minus 4 into minus 2y, which would be plus 8y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now let us simplify the like terms. So y square minus 4y square would be minus 3y square, and then we have 2y terms, 2y and plus 8y. So on adding we get here plus 10y, and again plus 1 minus 4 would be minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So on taking minus as a common factor, we get minus of 3y square minus 10y plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. And now if we transfer minus to the other side, the inequality gets changed, and we get the inequality as 3y square minus 10y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. So this is our equation 2. Now let us find the roots of this inequation. So on factorizing this inequation, we get 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. By taking 3y as a common factor from the first two terms, we get 3y into y minus 3, and by taking again minus 1 as a common factor, we get minus 1 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. And again if we take y minus 3 as a common factor, we get y minus 3 into 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So therefore we get the roots as y minus 3 equal to 0, which is nothing but y is equal to 3, or we get 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore we get the y value as 1 by 3. So therefore we have the two roots, alpha as 1 by 3 and beta as 3 of the inequation 2. Now observe the coefficient of y square of the inequation 2, which is 3, and it is greater than 0. And here the inequation 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. So we observe that the sign of the coefficient of y square and the expression is opposite signs. So therefore we have the condition alpha less than or equal to x less than or equal to beta. So in this inequation, this condition would be in the form of alpha less than or equal to y less than or equal to beta. So we have the value of alpha as 1 by 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to beta, which is nothing but 3. So therefore we can say that y belongs to 1 by 3 comma 3, which is nothing but the range of the expression which is given by y would be 1 by 3 and 3. So this is how we solve an example under quadratic expressions. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on quadratic expression on our website VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.